Una sabi nyo, malakas ang ebidensya namin kasi 8 ang krimen niya. Pagkatapos ngayon, 2 buwan pa lang, wala na. 3 na lang sa 5. Kasi tama na yun, panalo na kami. Wah! I request the Secretariat record in our journal that I said, I charge this private prosecutor with complaint of this impeachment court. Kasi salungat sa gusto mo, kaya ayaw mo pakinggan. Kung ayaw mo pakinggan, umalis ka sa korte.
Aalis na nga po sana ako kaya lang...
Granted!
But 2 girls there, will you please stop smiling and looking at your cell phones? If you're not listening to my speech, please step out. Now!
Maybe they'll be happy because on one hand I might die and then they could get rid of me. But on the other hand, I might survive and then I will get rid of them.